I am Fahim Iqbal. I am here to deliver the lecture on numerical methodology of the chapter linear equation and the topic Gauss elimination. Now, I am start Gauss elimination. In this topic Gauss elimination, to find out the unknowns on the basis of linear equation. The linear equation given into this form of a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 is equal to b1. This is the first equation in this form of linear. Next equation a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to b2. Now come to the third equation a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 is equal to b3. Now this equation having three unknowns. The unknowns are x1, x2 and x3. We are finding the unknown on the basis of a specific method. Now come to this equation, maybe rewrite into the form of matrix. Now to rewrite this equation into the form of matrix, and this matrix form is called AX equal to B. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is called A. Now come to the B. X1, X2, X3. This is called X. And B, B1, B2, B3. Now here see, A is, this part is called A, and this part is called X, and this part is called B. How to find out the unknowns x1, x2 and x3? This is the one of the very important aspects. We are finding the unknown in the method, as per the method Gauss elimination. The method says, according to the method, to eliminate these terms a21, a31 and a32. To eliminate in this form a21, a31, a32. And now we got the triangle, and this triangle is called upper triangular form. The elimination on the basis of form the triangle, and this triangle in this way, this triangle is called upper triangular form. First to eliminate a21, second to eliminate a31 and third to eliminate a32. Now applying the process how to eliminate, and how to eliminate a21, a31, a32. Now apply the first process of elimination to eliminate, and the process we are applying to eliminate is called pivoting, P-I-V-O-T, pivoting. In this process of pivoting, to apply, this is called R1, to eliminate A11, A21 by A11. It means now applying R1 applying R1 into A21 by A11. Now we are applying multiply and divide to the R1, A21 by A11, both side. Then we have, तो यहाँ पे आपका इक्वेशन का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा, A21 आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग A21 into A12 by A11 into A21 by A11, on that part A21 by A11. These two values are same. These two values are same, R1 and R2. The first element of R1 and the second element of R2 are same. Then after subtract R2 minus R1, and now the affected equation and affected row is nothing but R2. R2 subtract R1 and the R2 becomes the first elimination. We have got 0 after this. This one is the 0 and the changing value will be represented with dash. The changing value will be represented with dash. Again rewrite the first equation. Now the addition, multiplication and division will be replaced and again rewrite the original equation. A11, A12, A13. After multiply and divide to the R1, how to multiply and divide to the R1? A21 by A11 into R1, and then after subtract R2 minus R1, then the affected row is nothing but R2. We have got first 0 at the position of R2, at the position of R2. Now after come to the next part to eliminate A31. How to eliminate A31? Now this process will be repeat. R1 multiply and divide A31 by A11. Now come back to this R1, A31 divided by A31, divide and multiplied by A31 by A11, R2 into A31 by A11. Then this equation becomes A31 by A11, A31 by A11 into A31 by A11. And then after again subtract R3 minus R1, and the affected row is nothing but R3 minus R1. The affected row is nothing but R3, and then the second 0, we got second 0, and to change this value will be represent with dash. After getting 2 at the position of A21 and A31, now come to shift the pivoting position of this equation. A11, A12, A13, B1. After getting this 2, now to apply this 0 position for the triangle, this one A32 dash, A32 dash. How to get this A32 dash? How to eliminate the last position of the 0, A32 dash? Now this multiplication of R1 will be shift on the position of R2, A22 dash, A32, multiply and divide on the row R2 into A32 dash divided by A22 dash. On which row? R2. And then after we have got, here this value will be A32 dash, and this one is the A32 dash by A22 dash, and here A32 dash by A22 dash. After multiply and divide on the R2, now this value will be changed after multiplication and division on R2, and then after subtract, subtract R3 row 3 minus row 2. The affected row is nothing but R3, and we have got the last 0. We have got the last 0. Now we have to form a upper triangular form, and this process is called Gauss elimination. To eliminate A21, A31, A32. What is the purpose of elimination? We are finding the unknowns, and these unknowns are nothing but x1, x2, x3. And these unknowns, after this forming this upper triangular form, we have got the first unknown. This unknown is nothing but x3 is equal to b3 dash divided by a33 dash. Now we have got first unknowns. We have got first unknowns x3 equal to b3 dash divided by a33. Now this value will be putting into the above row or above equation, putting the value of x3 into the above equation or row, above equation or row. The above value is a22 dash x2 plus a23 dash x3 is equal to b2. Now put this value x3 at the position of x3 to put b3 divided by a dash 33, a22 dash x2 plus a23 b3 dash divided by a33 dash is equal to b2. Now to solve, a22 dash x2 is equal to b2 minus a23 b3 dash divided by a33, and then after this value will be divided to a22 dash, we have got x2 also, a b2 minus a33 dash b2 minus a